Hi everybody, I'm in Murano right now, the famous place for glass making, glass blowing, and all the glass factories. I'm gonna show you around today. I'm gonna show you all the glass. As you can see, you can only get here by boat. There's only boats, but along this road, there's glass shops everywhere. And it's beautiful, beautiful pieces of glass. You have glass like glass everywhere. So my friend earlier told me a couple places to go. He told me a factory that we can go to and watch them make it. And we're gonna go into some of the shops and show you some of these crazy, crazy glass designs that they have here. So stay tuned, guys. Let's go.
Picture?
I'm with my friend.
Oh, wait.
Vai.
I'm with my friend. He's from Italy. Where you from?
Verona.
Verona.
Okay. It's right.
Yeah,
Okay.
video.
Nice.
He's
Welcome in Murano.
He's a glass maker from Murano. We took a taxi here, the water taxi, and me and him been talking, and he's gonna show us his glass. He's gonna show us what he makes. We're gonna go there right now.
Here we go.
Look at this piece right here. That's all glass. It's crazy.
On it. Regardless of jacking it up or not.
Murano. Hey, this guy's the real deal right here.
Era un piccolo vaso.
Stopni około.
E ci metto sopra un mosaico colorato, vedete?
Aha. Mozaice kolorową, tak? W ten sposób fala.
Adesso il mosaico si è sciolto e farà una colorazione.
Blowing it.
I'm gonna get this.
Oh, glass guitar.
Anche qua è 3, non 50 ma 25. 3, venire da fuori. Allora. Guarda che completo, Pandora.
Vai.
So, just to give you an idea of how much some of these things cost. So just to give you an idea of how much some of these big pieces cost, like this, 300 euros for a piece like this. 300 euros. Beautiful, beautiful though. It's an old church, all the way at the end of the island of Murano. It's peaceful out here. It's a very, very peaceful place. It's like going back in a time to hundreds of years ago, even thousands of years ago. See, this is off the beaten path. We're going towards the end of the island when no tourists go out here. As you can see. Back on the bus. Going back to Venice. We just made it to one of the bus stops.